Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit Architecture. I am architect Sonurai from Gladi Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you about roof by extrusion. So in the previous class we discussed about roof by footprint, so you can refer my previous tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll consider how to use roof by extrusion. So I have taken some examples here, the small buildings. So I'm going to my roof here in build mode here, and you can select this drop down arrow, and then you can select roof by extrusion just below this roof by footprint. So if you look at the definition of roof by extrusion, it creates a roof by extruding a profile that you sketch. So in roof by extrusion, whatever profile you will draw here or anywhere like in window or roof, that will take the shape of your profile. That is the roof by extrusion. So suppose I'm going to select roof by extrusion here, and now it is asking current work plane or specify a new work plane. You can select this name, so you can select any name. You can pick a plane, or you can also use a pick a line and use the work plane it was sketched in. So we will discuss in the coming tutorials about the work plane. So first you are required to use this pick a plane, or shortcut command is pk. And now I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to simply select this front part as my plane. So I want to use this. So now it is asking roof reference level and offset. So this is as level 2, and if you want to give any offset, you can select any offset, or you can leave it like this and click OK. And now you can go to this front mode here, and you can draw any profile here. So suppose I am going to draw any interesting shape. So you will use this roof by extrusion only if you want to draw some different shapes of the roof in Revit. So suppose this is some arc and curve shapes of roof, and this is my profile. So after this you can go to properties and select what kind of roof you want. So this is basic roof 12 inches, so you can select any of this, or you can select any other types also. You can reduce the thickness. So I'm going to select this generic basic roof generic 9 inch, and I'm going to edit type. I will duplicate this, and I'm going to make this as a 4-inch roof here. So I'm going to make a 4-inch roof here. So I'm going to change the thickness also, and you can change the material if you want. So you can go to this material by category, click the 3 dots and go to create a new material, and you can select any other material. So I'm going to select roof here, and you can select any of the materials here. So I'm going to select this one, asphalt single, and now I'm going to click apply, OK, OK, apply, OK. And now I'm going to use this finish edit mode, and you can see this is our roof which has taken the shape of a profile. So you can see this is our roof which I have drawn using roof by extrusion. So you can see here, you can select this roof, and it can use this arrow to drag this up forward and backward. So you should check this that it is as per your design. So you can drag this backward also, or you can use this one also, extrusion start at 6 feet, extrusion 8 at -36 feet. So suppose I'm going to make this as extrusion start at 3 feet. So you can click apply, and you can see this is 3 feet. And again if you select and extrusion end at -30 feet. So let's see what happens. So I'm going to click apply, and you can see this -30 feet is not sufficient because building width is length is more. So you can make this as suppose -35 feet. Click apply. So you can see here So now you can see these walls are not attached. So what you are required to do, you can select this wall here, and you can press tab on your keyboard, so it will select all the walls. And now you can use this one, modify wall, attach top or base. So I'm going to select this one, and now it is asking attach wall, top or base. So I'm going to select this roof here, and you can see all the walls are attached to this roof. So this is the method of using this roof by extrusion, and you can use in others designs also. Suppose if you want to make any interesting shape, say in the wall also, then also you can use a roof by extrusion. So you can select this roof by extrusion, you can go to pick a plane. Suppose I'm going to use this plane here, and now I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to select this roof here 9 inches, and you can draw any shape here. So suppose I am going to draw this shape here, and I'm going to finish this, and you can see this is going in backward direction. You can change this. So you can select this extrusion starts at 3 feet and extrusion end at -4 inch. Click apply, and you can see this is the nice shape of window here, projection. So you can use this also, you can reduce the thickness also. So basically we'll use for roof only, but you can use in other thing also. So you have to develop these skills. So this is the basic introduction of roof by extrusion. So this was the tutorial for the today's session. In the next session I will come with some more interesting topics in Revit 2024. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.